Hello, my name is Frederick Anefi and you are welcome to the YouTube Consult Diaries. Today we have a question posed by one of our followers, and the question is, how do I highlight a row or rows in my data based on multiple conditions? Example, he said that based on shirts with sales greater than 300, based on shirts with sales greater than 300, how do we solve this? So we'll use the conditional format. First, we'll select our data. We'll go to conditional formatting, go to new row. So we'll have our dialog box, and we'll go to use a formula to determine which cells to format. We select that. So first, for us to achieve this, we use the AND condition, because in Excel our function is based on the condition that we are either selecting a shirt and sales above a threshold of 300. So what it means is that both conditions need to be satisfied, and the function to use for this is the AND function. AND into brackets. So we are saying that we should have shirts, our column C, that's where we have the items, should be equal to shirts, our inverted comma, we type shirts, we close our inverted comma, should be a shirt, and the sales, we have the sales in F column. We select that one too, we remove the bracket in front of the 3, that's the block, and we say that one should be greater than 300 Ghana cedis. Then we close our parentheses. So this is the function we are going to use, the AND function, and we are saying that in a situation where the items, we have the item being a shirt and the sales greater than 300, we should format it this way. It should highlight it as light green, and if possible also strike true.
If you want more of these Excel videos, please click on the big red subscribe button below the videos to subscribe to our channel, and click on the notification icon bell to get notified when new videos are published.
So we select those two conditions. So we are saying it should be filled with a light green, and it should also, when you go to the font, it should also strike true. So we click on OK. So this is how the outcome will be. So we click on OK again. So you will see that automatically for shirts which the sales are greater than 300, that particular row, the whole row is highlighted, or the cells are filled light green, and the cell content is also strike true. So you can see that here we have a shirt, but the sales is less than 300, so nothing happened to it. When you go down there, you can see that here the sales is greater than 300. The same applies to the sales where we have the shirts being also greater than 300. This is how smart and fast you can do this. If you have any question, don't hesitate to post it on our page, and we'll be glad to answer. Thank you very much, and have a wonderful day.